Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to display and monitor internet speed meter on taskbar in Windows 11. So first thing that you will do is simply go to this website. I will link it in the description below. And now from here on the right side, you can just simply click on this one, the latest releases. So click on it. And after that, guys, it will redirect you to another tab. Scroll down a little bit and just simply download this one over here. And now you will have the file and go for the folder by clicking on this one. And after that, just simply right click on it and go for extract all and just simply select a location and select extract. And now just simply select the traffic monitor folder and just simply open this one, traffic monitor. And now just simply select yes if prompted. And now you will have this one over here. So now guys, once you have this one, you just simply right click on it. And from here, you could go for show taskbar window. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And thanks for watching guys. See ya.